How to create your own GIF. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you have to open your web browser and go to the website onscreen.com. This is the website you can use for free. Onscreen is an online platform that allows you to remove the background from images and videos and make your own GIF. So you need your own image or video for this. Maybe you want to create a GIF from yourself. Then you can upload clip. You can go to your photo library. Okay, we want to create a GIF from this video. Then we select the video and we click on done. And now it's preparing for upload, and Onscreen will automatically start processing the image or video and remove the background from it. So it's loading right now. As you see, there is our video, no background. Now you can click on change background and you can choose your own background. Maybe you want waves. Or maybe you want people dancing. Nah, but we don't want any background. We want a transparent background. So then you click on reset. And once you're satisfied with the results, you scroll down and you click on download. And then you can choose GIF. And now it's downloading. Click on download. And you see the free clip is limited to 5 seconds, but that's okay for a GIF. You can choose Onscreen Pro, then you can make a GIF up to 8 seconds and you don't have a watermark. Okay, and now we see our download is ready. If you don't want to download your GIF, but you want to share it immediately with your friends on socials, then you can click on share and then you can copy your GIF. But we downloaded it, so we click on the download icon here and we click on downloads. And as you see, here is my design, here's my GIF. And then we can save the image or we can copy the image. And we want to save the image. So then you go back to your photos. And as you see, here is the GIF and no background. The background is removed. Now you can share it with your loved ones. You can send it as an email attachment or you can share it on social media, whatever you want. And that's it. That's how you create your own free GIF.